I am super excited today. We have attorney Lourdes Casanova. She is running for county court judge in Group 2 in Palm Beach County, Florida. And when I met her a while ago, and when I saw that she was running, I was not surprised. Wherever she goes, she fills out the room with the energy, with excitement. She's very friendly. So that's what I know about her in the professional level, of course, in the community, working with the community. So I was not surprised. I was actually happy to see you in this new adventure. But first, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Daisy. I really am grateful for you having me.
So, first of all, for the people that don't know you as a professional and within the community, I think a lot of people know you in Florida specifically and Palm Beach County. Tell us a little bit about your background professionally and personally.
Well, I'll start by saying that when it comes to my core values, I am the same person when it comes to work as home. So I'm a person who values service, fairness, civility. I give 100% to everything I do, whether it's my cases, my family, my hobbies. I love people. I love listening to people. I love interacting with them. And all of these traits are present in both my personal and professional life. And I know I'm going to bring them with me to the bench. But my professional background is I am a former prosecutor. I'm a successful business owner, small business owner of 8 years now. I'm a community leader. I'm very involved. I'm the immediate past president of the Palm Beach County Hispanic Bar Association. I am very involved with Special Olympics because I have a former classmate from 5th grade who is intellectually disabled, and we kept in touch over all these years. And so Special Olympics is near and dear to my heart, and I do it for him. I'm also involved with the Florida Association for Women Lawyers, Palm Beach County Bar, and I am a frequent guest speaker at different schools, Career Day, Latinos in Action, and just other school projects.
Fantastic. Yeah, I've seen you in many events. I had the opportunity to even talk to you in one of the events that you were the speaker, and also I've seen you around within the community. Why did you decide to run?
My family experienced the loss of life and liberty, unfortunately, in a country that did not respect the constitutional principles that we respect here. So, separation of powers, access to courts, due process. And we actually do have a family member who was executed by firing squad without a trial. And that's something that you don't learn in a textbook. You learn it at home and it stays with you. And that is why I became an attorney. And now this is why I'm becoming a judge. As an attorney, I've been able to pursue justice and make sure that some of these principles are honored. But as an advocate, I realize that it is not enough. I want to be able to be in a position to make decisions that are going to preserve our liberty.
Mm. Where did that the passion came from that moment, or through your life, the passion to serve, the passion to connect with the community in this level?
Well, first of all, I'm local. I was raised in Palm Beach County, so I want to give back to my community that has given me so much. My
Mhm.
parents also instilled in me not only those principles that I was telling you about, and gave me a lot of gratitude for this country and everything that I've been given, every opportunity I've been given. But my parents are very giving people, and they always taught me to help others. I also would say that I have found through just luck or blessing, I have found the causes that matter the most to me, such as Special Olympics, the Hispanic Bar, Latinos in Action, and the law. So once you find things that matter to you, I think the passion is organic and you want to
Yes.
serve.
Exactly. When do you want to serve? There's that's really refreshing to see somebody who's a professional and growing up here in Palm Beach County, because sometimes I hear the teenagers like, I'm leaving, I'm going to another state after Florida, and to see somebody who is grew up here and develop themselves as a professional to stay, that's refreshing to see that.
I'm homegrown and I'm here to stay.
Exactly. So tell me a little bit about your inspiration. Who
It goes
inspires
back
you every day?
it goes back to my parents. It goes back to my family. They risked their lives to ensure that their children grew up in a free country. They worked multiple jobs to provide for my brother and me. I have an older brother by a year and 10 months. I, we were in poverty, but I never even knew it because they made sure that we didn't want for anything. They also made education a priority in our house. So they made
Okay.
sure we didn't worry about anything so we can focus on doing well in school and building our future. They knew it was important. And I want to say that to this day, as much as I've accomplished, I'm still their baby and they are still helping me out and they still inspire me. They know I'm busy on the campaign trail. So they cook for me, they walk my dogs, they do so much for me. And I just want to make them proud, of course, and make my community proud. But my parents are absolutely my inspiration.
We need more representation as a Latino professionals all over, different categories, different um, segments, different leadership. Uh, how do you see that as a Latina professional? We are growing in numbers. When it comes, we are the biggest minority in the United States. In Palm Beach County, in the school district, we are 37 to 40%. So in the court, how do you see yourself representing also? We need more, but it will be a good step, to have you, but we need more representation.
Absolutely. So I don't know the exact numbers on the census. I do know that the Hispanic population is increasing in Palm Beach County. And I know that the bench currently does not represent the population in terms of Hispanic judges. We have very few. My understanding is that we don't have any Hispanic judges on the county court bench currently. I am running on my qualifications. I am the most qualified candidate for the position. I consider being Hispanic a bonus and an asset to the bench. And I just want to make the Hispanic community and the community at large proud.
Fantastic. I like that you said that because sometimes we think, oh, we need more of this, we need more of that, but also we need qualifications. I like that you mentioned that. It's not about demanding a place. No, you earn it and you feel like, okay, I'm going for it and I'm going to ask for your vote. So ask the people of Palm Beach County for their vote. I'm going to put you solo.
Thank you, Daisy. The election is August 20th. And I am a 4-time nominee for county court judge by the Judicial Nominating Commission. That is a panel assigned to determine who is qualified for judge. Those nominations came in very recently in 2022 and 2023. So I know that with my experience as a former prosecutor, as a small business owner, and as a community leader, I am able to not only follow the rule of law, understand new areas of law. Actually, I practice multiple areas of law right now with my law firm. And I'm also able to be efficient and multitask. I know that I am going to serve the bench well and serve the people of Palm Beach County well. I ask for your vote. I'll see you at the ballot box on August 20th.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much for the opportunity to interview you and wish you the best, of course. And I know it takes courage. Sometimes we just go and say, oh, I am already an attorney. I have my law firm. I'm doing okay. Why am I getting into this? But I know it takes courage. So I'm very proud of you and I wish you the best.
It was a pleasure, Daisy, and thank you so much. That means so much to me.